Good morning, everyone. What day is it?
10th.
Today is the 10th. It's our second day in Washington. Basically, there was a problem with our transportation. We did not book an Amtrak or a Greyhound, but on top of that, we didn't know that we couldn't put suitcases in the train at Amtrak, but also no. I think in the
We couldn't put it on the train.
we couldn't put it in the train. But our best solution.
But it worked out because
we're
renting a car.
We're renting a car, so we're going back
It's
to
so
the
much
airport. And yeah, it's more convenient for us, especially because the train is gonna be a 4-hour drive. No, 4-hour ride, which would have been nice because we're not doing anything, versus a 2-hour drive to Leavenworth tomorrow morning. So we have more time, we have more freedom to where we go.
And it's about the same price.
It's about the same price. So we were just booking things to do for Leavenworth. Should be fun. You guys will find out in a few days. Right now we're just gonna get breakfast because breakfast is free. And today it's gonna rain the whole day, but we'll see. We might go to the public market place. The marketplace? Oh, sorry.
Pike Place.
We're gonna go to Pike Place where the first Starbucks is at. I wanna go to a Starbucks Reserve and show you guys how awesome it is. And we might get clam chowder. It is raining the whole day, so we're gonna stay dry. We're not gonna pick up the car until like 8 p.m. tonight or 7 p.m. So we're gonna be either walking or taking the train. For now, we're gonna get breakfast. See you soon. Bye. Open it. Day 2. It wasn't raining, but now it's raining hard. We're going to Pike Place, which is the public marketplace. But we're trying to reload our Orca cards first. Our parents are right here behind us. But yeah. And then Space Needle is actually right across from where we're staying at, which is pretty cool. We went there, what year? 2018? 19?
I think 19.
19? Yeah. Pretty cool if you ever hear.
I remember because a little plug on my Instagram on 2019. I was like ready for the year 2019, and then I edited it and I was like I wasn't ready because that was when COVID happened.
So you didn't post it?
No, I did post it. I just edited it again, caption, and I was like I wasn't ready.
She wasn't ready. Cute Kevin Hart.
I'm right na diyan. Oh gosh, the lens is all messed up. Where are we?
Pike Place?
No.
Space Needle.
We're at the Space Needle. Currently walking to
The Pike Place.
Pike Place Market, where I can buy some clam chowder. Clam chowder. Are you excited for clam chowder?
Yeah, I'm gonna jump on you. Ready?
Busted. Busted.
No, do it. She's strong. No, she can. She squats 250. She can do it. Just try it. That line is for the very first Starbucks. Right there. There you are.
You want some purple in there?
Yeah, like.
What are you? Oh, you're trying to get mommy one for her birthday?
I have this these right here.
That's fine. Just like little additions of that. Is it possible?
That one? Like that one?
Huh?
15? What are you trying to
Get
get?
her a smaller one or the bigger? It's just it's gonna be harder for her to carry.
Just probably a tiny one.
Really? So one of these.
Yeah.
It's $5 difference. You might as well get her the big one. And that's how they get you, but yeah, I'll take it.
But I'm just saying, where are you gonna put it? 'Cause you can't leave it in the car.
It's okay. I'll.
Will last. They don't have water.
Oh,
you don't
the
need
dried
water.
flower.
Yeah, it's dried. They'll last for.
Okay. Well, can we just leave it anywhere? Only because we're flying out in like 4 days.
Yeah, I mean, like with the dry flowers, you can just like set it down somewhere.
Somewhere? Okay.
Fine, that way. Yeah.
Up to you. Anything purple. She likes purple.
So maybe that's not.
Oh, are you just gonna get the tiny one then?
Oh my God! You keep. I was gonna get that, and you keep telling me to get the tiny one. Thank you so much.
I didn't know it was dry
You can at least
flowers.
keep it up until 14. These ones aren't.
Wait, these are not dry flowers? How about this? What are these? Just regular flowers?
Yeah, it's like a mixture of things.
They're not gonna wilt
This looks more holiday.
because of the acorns?
Oh my God, the purple looks so nice. I'm so glad I asked for it.
It's
It looks way-
anything with
okay,
purple.
See, because I was like, this is just a purple, but it looks more pink.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, he did so good. Happy early birthday!
Oh, he's crying. She's crying already.
That looks a lot nicer now. There's only a few purple, a few flowers, actual flowers.
Remember it will last a year. So
No,
A
but
year?
it's
It
just a year.
no, those are dry.
No, those
flowers.
are. She didn't get the dry flowers.
I think that one looked nicer.
That will last till Friday. It's donuts.
Also excited.
My friend would like this. It's super pink. We got postcards. The guy's really nice. He actually owns a store. If you're interested, I'll put everything in the link. This is them, and they own the store. They make everything by hand. Routine fries. That's what I came here for. Clam chowder.
Careful, don't
So good.
Or 5 piece. If you got 5 piece and then came with crab. I didn't realize that it came with.
How's your food? Is that good?
I like it.
People are there. The Santa suits.
Oh my God. Why are there so many?
We're literally
We've
drenched
walked
for like what?
5 blocks
Starbucks?
now, though.
Starbucks Reserve. Hey, where are you getting your steps in?
Green dance? Do it. Do it, stop. Do it, please.
You're doing it on purpose now. Wait, that's my drink. This is your drink. Dark chocolate mocha.
Oh, that is so bitter. Do they have
Oh, it's
knife?
bitter? Oh no.
Do they have knife?
You like more?
Let me say.
The bitter
I
one?
like this one.
That's how you know she's a coffee friend.
Yeah, she doesn't like sweet. Remember she didn't like the maple bacon?
Good chocolate. The chocolate? didn't even get any chocolate.
There's no chocolate. It's bread.
Oh yeah.
There's like barely any chocolate.
There's a lot. It's just all in the middle.
It's not literally Nutella.
Okay, let's try it.
That one's good. This one.
This is ham. Ham and cheese.
That's not bitter.
Yeah.
It's very bitter.
Try it again.
I tried it like 3 times.
Chocolate siya, anak, masarap.
Yeah, it's literally chocolate. Angle Lake. Towards Angle Lake. Yeah, Angle Lake.
One down.
You're going back to the airport to get a rent-a-car.
Now entering University Street.
So let me fill you in. So basically the car that we got does not have 4-wheel drive, and in order to go up to Leavenworth you need a pass, or you need a car with chains, or a car with 4-wheel drive, but the car that we rented did not have any, so we had to upgrade. And one, they won't let chains in the rental car, like to be put onto the rental car, so our only option was to upgrade. And so we upgraded from a Kia Sportage, I think, to a Toyota 4Runner. Car is huge, so we have a 4Runner at home, and it's not as big, or maybe it is, I don't know. It's bulkier for sure. Is it me or the car is taller?
I'm taller.
It's taller than what?
Look at the wheels.